Assalamu alaikum Rahmatullahi wa. Let us all learn about the great Imam Malik ibn Anas Rahmatullah Alaih. He quoted that knowledge doesn't come by its own, but you have to go to it. So let's learn some detail about his life. He was born in Medina, the son of Anas ibn Malik and Alia bint Shuraik. His ancestors belonged to Yemen, who then migrated to Medina. His mother played a significant role in motivating him to get into the Islamic studies. He received his education in Medina. He was almost of 10 years old when his education started. He spent his first 7 to 8 years of his education devoted to a single teacher, Ibn Hurmuz, and later had the privilege of learning from a variety of great scholars. He then became so dedicated and keen about learning hadith that he used to stand and wait in the hot sun to ask his teacher different questions about the hadith that he has learned in the class. Also, he never took the day off. He will even study on the day of Eid. He was highly attracted to the study of Islam and ended up devoting his entire life in the study of fiqh. Imam Malik became the great Imam of Medina and one of the most renowned Imam of Islam. Like all scholars of Islam, Imam Malik was famous for his piety and integrity. So let's learn some amazing facts about his life. He is the second from the 4 greatest Imam of Islam, and he is the originator of Maliki school of fiqh. He had the honor to study from the most acclaimed scholar in his life. Imam Abu Hanifa Rahmatullah Alaih was one of his teachers. He is the author of the book Al-Muwatta. He said, "I show my book to 70 scholars of Medina, and every single one of them approved it for me. So I name it Al-Muwatta, the approved." Imam Malik spent his whole life in Madinatul Munawwara, the land of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He is buried in Jannatul Baqi, across the mosque of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Medina. We hope that this information was beneficial to you all. Jazakallahu khair.